Good morning friends, another day, another vlog. So last night I sat down just to start reading this book Queenie, and I actually ended up reading almost half of it last night because it's so good. It's based in London and it's very southeast London, southwest, which is cool because obviously I grew up in southeast London, and it's just really funny, it's really lonely, I just really enjoying it so far. So I'm gonna try and actually finish this today, and then my sister wants to read it, I'm gonna give it to her, and then we're gonna give it to someone else so that we can like pass it on. It's good, it's so readable. I'm also just looking through this stuff that I got from Centrepoint, the homeless charity, today, because I'm gonna be working with them this Christmas, because 22,000 young people are going to be homeless this Christmas, and that is just a horrifying number. And the whole campaign is kind of around how the youth aren't responsible for the housing crisis, so we need to make sure that we are taking care of those who are made homeless this Christmas, because just imagine how lonely and how scary and how cold and how hungry you're going to be this Christmas, or I mean in general. But anyway, so that's why I am working with Centrepoint, because obviously I really believe in their mission, I really believe in what they do. I've just washed my face, that's why I have this ridiculous thing on. I love Studio Ghibli, if you don't know who they are. And my favourite cousin, she lives in Tokyo in Japan, and my aunt visits her, not always, but she brought me this back like 3 years ago or something, because she knows I love Studio Ghibli, and if you get big points if you know where this one is from. So I always wear it when I'm washing my face or doing my makeup or anything like that, and it's just handy, you know guys, it's just handy. Anyway, so I'm just reading through the campaign stuff for Centrepoint to make sure I know exactly, and it'll actually be a fun vlog when I take you guys with me, because there is some graffiti artwork around London that's been made for this campaign. So I'm going to cycle around hopefully to all of them and do like an IGTV for the campaign, so I can take you guys with me and do like a behind the scenes stuff like that. But for now, I'm just going to finish reading this, and then I'm going to start reading Queenie, and then we'll see where the day takes us, guys. We'll see where it takes us. He doesn't like that.
He loves it. He's not moving, that means he loves it. He's not moving.
Daddy, you do your rehab now.
I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you.
Okay, so I've just read like 70 pages and it is so good. It's super readable. And I'm going to take a break now. I need to do loads of email, so I'm going to do that. Probably not going to show you that because that's so boring. And then I'm going to make some coffee. I'm super into some my coffee. I bought some from We Gather. If you didn't see my Sunday vlog where I went and bought some like unpackaged groceries at this new zero waste shop, which is actually a social enterprise, which is really great because then it gives back to the community. Because often zero waste shops can be quite expensive, and sometimes it can be damaging for local communities if they can't afford to buy there. So it's great that it's a social enterprise that they can actually give back to the community as well. Also, yeah, so the coffee beans I bought from there are from Old Spike Roastery, which is also a social enterprise, and they help to tackle homelessness in the UK, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna make some coffee now. I'm going to also make some lunch. I'm gonna make some winter veg tacos. I'm excited. So let's just go and do that. Oh. Now, look at these. I've got both of these on. Silly. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's just kind of a quick one today to show you the kind of meals that I try to eat when I'm trying to eat seasonally and share with you the book that I'm currently reading. I've got so much sort of like admin and like emails and really boring stuff to do today, so I am going to end the vlog here. I'm also going to go and see one of my friends just had a baby, and obviously I'm not going to film that because that's completely unacceptable and inappropriate. Yeah, for the rest of the day I'm just going to be doing some admin and stuff like that. I'm going to try and plan out some videos for the next couple of days to see what would be interesting. But yeah, as I said before, there are so many Christmas markets this weekend, which I'm really excited about. So today is just about getting lots of work done, finishing my book, seeing my friend's baby, and then I'm going out with one of my friends tonight. We're just going to go to a gym class together because sometimes it's so much easier in the winter to go with someone else. And then we're probably just going to have dinner and catch up and talk about something quite exciting that I might be applying to do next year. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you're enjoying these very chill, casual Vlogmas videos, and I really am enjoying the challenge of creating something every day and just like getting it out and doing a really good job in a shorter time frame. So yeah, I am going to be doing a proper review of this book. I'll probably maybe do it on Instagram, or I'll probably put it into one of these vlogs as well, but I really love it. It's such a good book. It's like when you pick up a book and time just goes by really quickly. Like I sat down at 8 PM last night to just start reading before bed, and then it got to midnight and I was still reading. And I'm usually a slow reader and it takes me a long time to get into things, but I was really surprised. I was just straight into it. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave everything in the description below of all the ingredients for that lunch I just made, and also it was a Riverford recipe. It's not my own recipe, so I'm not taking any credit for that, so I'll put a link to that below as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.